Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander and a lot of all new PHEV. It's a 2023 Outlander PHEV. It's happening. It's starting to happen. We're getting those Outlanders delivered at a steady pace. And in this channel, we'll cover a lot of PHEV stuff. We'll do the real life tests and visual comparisons and accessory installs and everything in between. So this time around, today we'll have a look at this. So it's 2023 Outlander PHEV silver with light gray interior. So right now what's happening is no matter basically which dealership you want to deal with or which country you're in, you're looking at wait times when it comes to ordering this PHEV. And very often, these videos is your only source, basically how to get like a real life sense of how those cars are gonna look. Because you go to the dealership, typically you'd be able to see all colors, all trim levels, all interiors, but not in this market condition. So in this channel, I'll try to cover everything, all possible colors, all possible trims, and everything else. So when you go on browse on my channel, I'll add these playlists that you can then see by PHEV colors and the trim levels. So that way, if you know that, hey, I want to see all the Outlander PHEVs, all the colors, you just click on that playlist and you'll be able to see it. So right now, let's check out this. Let's have a closer look at it. Basically, customer is going to be taking this delivery, this beautiful Outlander home in any minute now. So super exciting times. I think the silver looks absolutely great. Like, it looks so nice in the a darker day like this, and then it also looks really nice when it's super bright day. I really like how the chrome looks, and then this really plays well together with this lower part right here because it's a silver color, so it matches really well with silver and chrome and all the other elements on the vehicle. This part round, so GTs have its body color painted, but SEL doesn't. That gives you a little bit of that two-tone effect. I like it actually quite a bit. We installed Outlander hood emblem, so this is a special Outlander PHEV hood emblem. We can see it's blue with this chrome outline. Looks absolutely fantastic, I think, and we'll be putting those on PHEVs. That way, when you check out the car, it actually stands out. It looks a little bit different. And also what makes the PHEV stand out from a side view is this badge that they put it on. So this one is on the factory badge, so it's plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. And we also added side moldings. So the side moldings, same thing like with the other accessories. I will be putting those up for sale on my mrmitsubishi.ca website. So if you want to, you can purchase them very soon there. And this one is body color, so it's silver with this chrome outline, and it has PHEV lettering right here. Has nice blue PHEV lettering, so it looks really sharp. And also we have the 20-inch wheels, so the SEL trim level comes with 20-inch wheels. It's definitely a beautiful trim level, very nice trim level to have. This part here, we have, double pushed. So we have the charging port right here on the passenger side. This one here is for a DC quick charger. I'll be testing that out in one of the videos as well. And this is just the regular charger as well that comes with the car. So we'll check out the trunk and the charger in a second here. Now let's have a look one more time, this side view. I think the silver looks absolutely amazing. Such a great color. Typically, I'm not the biggest fan of silver on any car, but I gotta say on Outlander, it looks really good. And on PHEV, looks awesome together with these chrome elements and the side moldings we added and the black thing that's going on a little bit, this two-tone effect. I think it looks very good. So right now, let's check out the interior. And as we open the door, we can see the light gray interior. It just stands out so much. It makes such a good impression. And again, it goes really well together with silver, light gray. Then you have on the door panels, this two-tone elements, diamond stitched, seats and whatnot. So looks absolutely gorgeous. Still, we have the large sunroof, which is awesome. Everybody was waiting for that. And look how good the interior looks. I just can't get over it. So we have the white here, and then we have black, this piano line right here, and the same thing in the middle console part here. We have white elements here, and then we have piano black, and then we have the sunroof. Okay, so inside of the PHEV, basically the shifter is the same way as on the regular gas, right? So the only difference would be on these buttons right here. So we have the EV mode, or we can click the different modes on this, and this is the one pedal drive that again we're going to test in this video. And then this one we have the terrain selector, and only thing new here is this power mode right here, so that gives you extra boost when you might need it. So we'll test all that out, and let's start it. So we'll start it. Okay, very nice screen. So it's rated in Canada for 61 kilometers. So right now, like, you know, it was fully charged, and we can see this one bar is kind of like not 100% full, so it shows 55, and 780 kilometer total range with a full tank. So again, all these things we'll test out, because, you know, it might not show you the like reflection of real life. It's just, you know, depends if your car was driving like around fast, or it was like just sitting idle, right? So these readings can get a little bit messed up. So protective film still on the screen, but we have the navigation and everything else. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. We do have memory positions on both sides. So we have driver memory position, and we have for the passengers as well. We had clients coming in yesterday who said it's a deal breaker for me if there's no memory settings on the passenger side. I'm not interested. So there we go. This one has it, and it's on both sides. You have on the passenger and the driver's side. How cool is that? The rear, so we do get the heated seats in the rear as well on the SEL. And look how cool the interior looks from second row perspective. I mean, it looks like $1 million. I love it. Such a nice trim level. Very, very nice. Okay, let's check out the trunk now. The trunk, we have power, and then we have the 7 seats, right? So this is the third row. I can't really fold it down right now because you know, we have like the stuff here, the floor mats, and we have the bag for the charger right here. Okay, so I made also a video looking at it in detail. So there we go. We just checked out this 2023 Outlander PHEV silver with light gray interior. Looks absolutely gorgeous. What a great trim level, what a great color option. Thank you so much for checking out the videos, and see you next videos.